Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm one of the managing partners here at Double Dome Digital. You're on this page because you need help with Google Ads. You're really on this page because you need leads and sales. You've probably run your own campaigns, worked with another agency, or at least talked to a Google Ads consultant that said all the right things about CPC and conversion rates and cost per acquisition and ROAS. They may even have gone into detail about their strategy and setup and campaign build out and ongoing optimization activities and performance reporting. And we do all of those things, and there's a list of those deliverables on this page, along with some case study at KPIs and some customer testimonials. We have a kick-ass team of digital marketing experts. We have industry-leading processes, performance monitoring, and systems that will get you the results and move your business in the direction you want to go. But what I really wanted to talk with you is to cut through all that and talk business fundamentals. Every company is in business to make money. Your business will live or die based on your ability to grow revenue through new customers. Revenue growth comes from new customers. New customers come from a pipeline of good leads. Lead flow, close rate, and average deal size are the fundamentals to long-term survival and growth of your business. And the reason we've been in business for over 20 years is our focus on your ROI through this formula. The reason we have clients that have been with us for 10, 15, and 20 years is because we focus on your ROI through this formula. We see 10 to 35% conversion rates, some campaigns, and ROIs in the thousands across different industries. So if you're on the fence about Google Ads, let's talk. If you're considering SEO or social marketing as an alternative to paid search, let's talk. If you believe in your business and your market, call us, fill out the consultation form, and I'll personally talk with you about how we can help.